URL parameters allow you to customize the meeting experience for your end users. They are unique to each participant, so you can supply different combinations to different users depending on what you'd like their experience to be. I'm going to demo a few of the most commonly used parameters today, but check out our developer documentation for full detail. Here I've set up a simple demo page and embedded a room that I generated through the API. Let's say you're building an app for simple video chats and don't need most of the features of Whereby. We can use the minimal parameter to turn off all controls in the UI besides the mic and cam controls. Now when I reload, I have a very clean interface free from distractions. But after some testing, I feel like I'm missing the YouTube integration. How else am I going to share crappy memes? So I'll add that back by appending room integrations equals on. Now I'm free to share as many cat videos as my friends and colleagues can stand. Keeping with the cat theme, I'll use the display name parameter to set my name to cat and the avatar URL parameter to make my profile image this grumpy cat. Note that you would normally use JavaScript to dynamically set these variables. Here I'm just hard coding them for demonstration purposes. But this only scratches the surface of what you can do with URL parameters. If you're feeling inspired, check out the full list of supported parameters and what they do in our developer documentation.